What's up, everybody? This is Dr. Hansen here with Hansen Chiropractic, and I'm here with the man, the myth, the legend, Herbalife health and fitness coach, Sebastian Tropea. Sebastian, how you doing today, man?
I'm doing good, BJ.
All right, good.
Just coming in for my adjustment. You know, being healthy and active also requires, you know, keeping in alignment as well.
Absolutely.
You can explain more, of course.
Absolutely. Yeah, Sebastian works hard. He pushes his body to extreme limits in the gym. So he has to keep up with his spine, keep everything in place, keep everything moving right, prevent injuries before they start. So we're going to go ahead and adjust Sebastian. So Sebastian, you can go face down for us.
But,
There she was, very good. To the other side one more time. Cover your right shoulder for me. Oh, yeah, buddy, you definitely needed that. Sebastian is a fitness coach, health and fitness coach for Herbalife. And Sebastian, where can everybody follow you on Instagram?
on Instagram, you can follow my page at Sebastian24Fit. Like I said, if you got any questions, got any health goals to reach, I'd be happy to help you. And we got some new 3-day challenges. We start every Monday. So feel free to contact me about that. I'd be happy to help.
He's the very best in the world. Y'all reach out to him. If you want to better yourself physically, mentally, whatever way you want to do it, Sebastian can help you. Thank you,
All right.
Sebastian.
Thank you,
Appreciate
BJ.
it. All right.